Good morning. Today we are starting off our day with frigid temperatures, coldest temperatures yet this season in some areas, with still some hours of cooling left to go. We're looking toward downtown Fargo this morning. Quiet weather. We've got clear skies, a little bit of that ice in the air that we've been seeing the last couple of days. But other than that, things are pretty quiet for us. It's just plain cold here in the valley. Let's take a look at those temperatures. We are into the teens to 20s below this morning. 24 below our lowest temperature in Fosston. It's 22 below currently in Park Rapids, 12 below in Fargo, and 16 below currently in Grand Forks. So some frigid numbers, almost all of us into the teens below zero, and will probably drop from here as we continue through the day, or through the morning hours rather. Heading into our wind chill graphic, you can see we're looking at numbers that are well down into the 30s below zero in a lot of spots. Fargo's at 30 below, a wind chill of 32 below in Grand Forks. We've got 39 below in Park Rapids and 28 below for your wind chill, or rather 38 below for your wind chill in Fosston. So frigid, and not just frigid, but downright dangerous. It's the kind of weather you want to limit your time outside. You want to make sure that you're covering up and layering up here as you are getting ready to get to where you need to be today. Our wind speeds are light, but enough to bring down those wind chills. We've got winds that are about 5 to 15 miles per hour here in the valley, either northwesterly or westerly this morning. And one spot where we've had some visibility issues, Detroit Lakes, we're at 4 miles there. But other than that, things are looking pretty good for visibility here in the valley. So let's take a look at your radar and satellite map. It's pretty quiet right now. We're not much to show. We'll expand the view to show that there are some snow showers in western parts of North Dakota and South Dakota over into eastern Montana. Gradually, we will see our chances for some snow increase as we head into the afternoon and evening hours tonight. So here's a look at things. We're going to watch those temperatures really dip more here this morning before they start to rise. We're looking at wind chills that are going to be 20s, 30s, even to 40 below here this morning again. And some numbers that are more into the teens to some low 20s below zero through the next several hours. Heading into the noon hour, we're warming things up a little bit more. We've got some sunshine out there too. That wind kicking in out of the southwest. And then gradually some clouds start to move in as we head into the afternoon. So by 3 o'clock, we're clouding up in eastern North Dakota. Temperature is also on the rise with that too. Over to the east, we're going to be seeing a little more sunshine before that sun sets, of course, around 4:30. And then here comes the snow into this evening. So that might affect some of our evening commutes, but it's more into the late night hours. Overnight, we'll see this snow really spread in to the valley. This is 11 o'clock tonight. That potential for snow is there. And with that comes the potential for some accumulating snow on those roads. And it should be light, but enough to make for some slick conditions overnight and perhaps into the morning drive tomorrow. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. The snow's moved on at that point. We're looking at temperatures that are right around zero, which will be nice given where we are now to start off at those numbers tomorrow. And here's a look at our potential snowfall. We've got that potential for 1 inch to 2 inches of snow, perhaps a little more than that in a couple of pockets. Everybody has a shot, but you can see it's wherever that line, that band sets up, where we're more likely to see that, and that's more likely south of Highway 2. Here's your photo today. A bunch of geese hanging out in the cornfield there. Thanks to Bruce from Dilworth for sharing this photo with us. And a look at your 7-day planner. We do recover into Thursday and Friday. We have another chance for some snow Thursday night and into Friday, and temperatures on the rise with that, a high of 22 for Friday. But you can see that Saturday, another reinforcing shot of cold air takes over before we warm back up a little heading into Monday, but no major warm up or recovery from this latest cold spell here, at least not in the next few days. So again, keep those winter weather, all the winter weather gear out even after we do start to recover. And today you'll definitely need it.
Thank you, Lisa.
Not every child receives a gift on Christmas, but the annual Golden Drive hopes to change that.
We'll tell you how you can help next on The Valley Today.